In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your PS4 controller is not connecting to your PS4. So the first thing you want to do is flip over your controller, and with a bobby pin or something that's really small, you want to place it into this hole on the back and then press down on the button in the hole. Now this is going to reset your PS4 controller after holding down on this button for about 5 seconds, and then you can flip over your controller again, and with the USB cable that would have came with your controller, plug it into your PS4 and then into the top of your controller. Now when you do this, the light will turn red on the top of your controller, and then you want to press the PlayStation button on the front of it. Then you'll see the controller light has gone blue, and now you can test out your controller and it should work. Now if you don't have the USB cable that came with your controller, the only other way to connect your controller is to already have a controller connected, then go to Devices, Bluetooth Devices in Settings. Then you want to press the PlayStation button and the Share button on your second controller that's not connected, and with the primary controller you can scroll down and select it in Bluetooth Devices and connect it that way. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.